Hey everyone! Exciting news, Apple's new iPhone 16 lineup is officially here. Let's dive into what you need to know about the launch and how to get your hands on these amazing devices. The pre-order period kicked off on September 13th, and now customers around the globe are starting to receive their iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, and Pro Max models. But what if you didn't pre-order? Don't worry, there are still options. Many Pro model configurations now have estimated delivery dates pushed into October. But here's the good news: if you want your iPhone sooner, select Apple Store locations worldwide are offering same-day or next-day pickup. Right now, in countries like France, Germany, and the UK, you can pick up any iPhone 16 color or configuration today. And it doesn't stop there. Locations in Australia, Japan, India, and more are ready to help you get your new device fast. Ordering for store pickup is super easy. Just add your iPhone to your cart on apple.com or the Apple Store app. Choose I'll pick it up, enter your zip code, select a store, and pick your date. Payment is all done online, so you're ready to go when you arrive. For those who prefer a spontaneous visit, walk-in availability is also an option. Just keep in mind that inventory can vary, and you might end up in a separate queue. Now, let's talk features. The standard iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus bring some exciting upgrades previously reserved for Pro models. Think customizable action buttons, a 48MP Fusion camera, macro photography, and the powerful new A18 chip. So, are you ready to grab your iPhone 16? Let us know in the comments which model you're excited about. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on all things tech.